Ever feel like your business finances are kind of stuck in the slow lane while everything else is racing ahead?
Happens all the time.
Yeah, and choosing the right online business bank account, well, it's not just about storing cash anymore, is it?
Not at all. It's really about efficiency, saving money, and setting yourself up for actual growth, especially now.
It's like upgrading the financial engine of your business, getting off dial-up maybe.
That's a good way to put it. So in this deep dive, we're going to map out this online banking landscape
Hello?
and look at what some of the top platforms are offering entrepreneurs like you.
Right, the goal is practical insights, yeah.
Yeah.
Not just a feature list. Help you make a smart choice without getting totally bogged down.
Exactly. We want you to feel equipped, not overwhelmed.
All right, so today we're zooming in on four names that pop up a lot: Aspire, Payoneer, Wise, and Airwallex.
That's them, key players in this space.
So let's just jump right in. Why is moving to an online business bank such a big deal for businesses right now?
Okay.
What's the real advantage?
Well, look at how business works today. It's digital, it's global, it's fast.
Mm-hmm.
Traditional banks, with the branches and the sometimes older systems, they can struggle to keep up.
Especially if you're dealing internationally or running an e-commerce store, I imagine.
Absolutely. Online accounts are built for that. They offer much better financial management tools.
Like what specifically?
Think intuitive dashboards for budgeting, really detailed expense tracking, way beyond a spreadsheet, and reports that give you a clear, real-time financial picture.
Okay, so getting that instant visibility and control, like a financial command center for your business.
Precisely. And that visibility often leads straight to saving money.
How so?
Well, many online platforms have clearer, often lower fees, especially for things like international transfers.
Ah, the dreaded transfer fees. Those can sting with traditional banks.
They really add up. Online options are usually much more transparent there. Plus, they're often built for scalability.
Scalability how? Like
Well,
growing with the business.
Yeah, easier access to credit lines maybe, or seamless multi-currency support if you expand overseas. More flexibility as your needs change.
And just the convenience, right? Not being tied to 9 to 5 banking hours or having to physically go somewhere.
That's huge. Manage your finances anytime, anywhere. But it's more than just convenience, it's efficiency.
Okay.
Think about your bank account talking directly to your accounting software like Xero or QuickBooks.
Ah, the integration. Automating things.
Exactly. It pulls in transaction data automatically. Less manual entry, fewer errors, saves a ton of admin time. It makes your finances work for you.
Makes sense. But okay, moving money online. Security is obviously critical. What are these platforms doing there?
That's non-negotiable. Good online banks invest heavily in security. Multi-factor authentication is standard, needing more than just a password.
Right.
Plus, strong data encryption to scramble your info, sophisticated fraud detection systems constantly monitoring activity,
Okay.
and they have to comply with strict financial regulations. It's all about keeping your funds and data safe.
Good to know. So if you're weighing these options, what are the absolute must-haves to compare? The key features.
First off, fees. Really scrutinize the transaction fees. Deposits, withdrawals, and especially international transfers if that's relevant for you.
Uh-huh. Compare based on how you actually operate.
Exactly. Know your typical volume and types of transactions. Find the most cost-effective fit. Don't let hidden fees bite you later.
Right. No surprises. What else is crucial?
Integration capabilities. We touched on it, but it's vital. How well does it connect with your other tools?
Your accounting software, payment platforms.
Yes. Xero. QuickBooks are common, but check compatibility with everything you use. Smooth integration just makes life easier. Automates workflows, less hassle.
Got it. Integration for a smooth back office. And security. Worth hitting that again.
Definitely. Don't just assume it's good. Dig into the details. Look for specifics on encryption, fraud detection, compliance. You need confidence.
Confidence that your money and data are locked down.
Mm-hmm.
And what about when things go wrong or you just have a question? Support matters.
Hugely important. Accessible, responsive support is key for keeping things running smoothly. Check their channels. Is it just email? Or is there live chat, phone support?
And how fast do they respond?
Yeah, what are the typical response times? Knowing you can get help quickly when you need it offers real peace of mind.
Okay, that gives us a solid checklist. Now let's get specific. First up, Wise Business. What's their angle?
Wise really leans into being a borderless account built for global operations.
Borderless, okay.
Their big standout is multi-currency support, holding and managing funds in over 50 currencies.
Wow, 50 plus Pale. That's properly global.
Yeah, it's like having local bank details in lots of countries. Makes it way easier and cheaper to get paid by international customers or pay suppliers abroad. Less paying with conversion fees.
And I remember hearing their exchange rates are a big plus.
Yes, they use the real mid-market rate, the one you see on Google or Reuters, without the hidden bank markup.
Ah, the real rate.
Right. And their conversion fees on top of that are usually very low and transparent. That can mean serious savings for businesses doing lots of international deals.
Money saved is money earned or reinvested.
Exactly. And they also integrate smoothly with Xero, QuickBooks, etc., which helps automate the bookkeeping side.
Okay, makes sense for global players. Next, Aspire. You mentioned they're tailored for Southeast Asian entrepreneurs.
Yeah, Aspire has really focused on the needs of businesses operating in or expanding into Southeast Asia.
What makes them suited for that region?
One key thing is their integrated expense management. It helps businesses track and get real-time insights into spending, which is super useful in fast-growing markets.
Better budgeting, smarter decisions.
Right. Plus, they offer flexible credit lines. That can be a game changer for managing cash flow and funding growth in that kind of dynamic economic environment.
Flexible credit is definitely handy for scaling up. Okay, moving to Airwallex. Their focus seems to be global businesses, maybe without a physical footprint everywhere.
That's a good summary. Airwallex caters well to businesses operating internationally, maybe primarily online, without needing offices in every country.
So what's their main strength?
Fast, cost-effective cross-border payments. If you're sending and receiving money internationally a lot, their platform can really speed things up and cut down costs compared to older methods.
Efficiency in global payments.
Yeah, and they also have strong expense management tools with real-time analytics. Gives you that clear view of your global finances.
Okay, so Airwallex looks solid for heavily international businesses needing streamlined payments. And lastly, Payoneer. Sounds like they're geared towards cross-border trade.
Yes, Payoneer is really strong for businesses involved in buying and selling across borders, especially e-commerce.
How do they help with that?
They offer global payment solutions that let you receive payments in different currencies, almost like you had a local account there. Simplifies getting paid by international clients or marketplaces.
Okay, makes receiving foreign currency easier.
Much easier. They also provide flexible working capital options, which helps manage liquidity, really important in trade.
And you mentioned e-commerce.
Yeah, a big plus for sellers on platforms like Amazon or eBay is Payoneer's easy integration. It streamlines getting your payments from those marketplaces, less hassle with reconciliation.
Got it. So each one has a slightly different flavor, catering to specific international needs. Now, the source material also mentions setting up these accounts, referencing OnDemand International. What's their take on the setup process?
Right, OnDemand's view is that setting up isn't just ticking a box, it's a crucial step. They really emphasize starting with a proper consultation.
To understand the business's actual needs first.
Exactly. What are your transaction volumes, your growth plans, where do you operate? Based on that, they can give personalized recommendations, help you choose the right bank, not just a bank.
Make sense? Avoid picking the wrong tool for the job.
Precisely. And they also stress getting help with the application itself, the paperwork, the requirements to avoid delays.
Navigating the bureaucracy.
Yeah. And finally, getting support to integrate the new account with your existing systems, like your accounting software, for a smooth transition.
So getting expert guidance can really simplify things and ensure you start off on the right foot.
Yeah.
Okay, we've covered a lot here. Let's wrap up. Why is choosing the right online business bank account so important, really?
Well, as we've seen, it's not just about where your money sits, it's a strategic choice.
Right.
It directly impacts your financial efficiency, your costs, and ultimately your ability to grow and compete, especially globally.
So carefully weighing the benefits, the features against your specific needs.
Yes, and understanding the strengths of each provider, Wise, Aspire, Airwallex, Payoneer, allows you to make an informed choice that really empowers your business's financial future.
Absolutely. It's about finding more than just a bank. It's finding a financial partner that helps you operate day to day and fuels your ambitions.
Well said.
So as you think about your own business, really consider how the right online banking solution, especially with things like multi-currency management and easy cross-border transactions, could be that foundation for hitting your international growth goals. It's more than just an account. It could be the key to unlocking your global potential.